Boys Club Palermo, when you need to tame that hair after 3 years of doing your own haircuts. This is day 7 of the Whiskey Advent Calendar series from Flaviar. Let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. I'm Kevin. This is the Whiskey Advent Calendar series from Palermo, Italy, and I have day 7 ready. I think you've seen the bottle already. I have not looked at the front because these are blind tastings, and I'm trying to guess at least what country they're from, if not more details about the whiskey. Let me go ahead and pour this in my non-Glencairn glass. That is a little harder to get notes from, but I'm not going to use that as an excuse. I have enough excuses with my own tasting and senses. So let's jump into day 7, see what it's like. First notes, vegetal on the nose and a little bit mossy, but not a bad smell. There's some sweetness down in there. Actually getting some nice berries, maybe a little bit of citrus. Very pleasant nose. Let me try the taste. Tastes very familiar. I'm getting licorice on the nose and a little bit on the taste. That's a very familiar taste. I don't know if I'm in the right ballpark. I want to say this is more of a rye-based whiskey. Seems to have a little bit of heat though. I don't know if it's a higher ABV or not. Not sure about this one. Already had a rye. Doesn't mean the rye can't come up again. If you're hearing background noise, there's construction on the street behind me. It's making it very tough here. And cars and motorcycles. Palermo, Italy is a busy, busy place. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to say that this one is a Canadian rye. Why not? Let's go for it. See what it says on the bottle. See if I at least get the country right. Nah, it's a product of the USA. All right, day 7. Product of the USA, 46% ABV. Tasted hotter than that to me. A lot of wood spice at the end. A little bit of those grassy notes and everything else. So let me go ahead and pull up the Flaviar app. This app is how we look up things now because the booklet is basically just pages of notes that don't really help me find out what's in the whiskeys. Okay, revealing day 7. This is a Kansas City whiskey. It's an American whiskey, 46% ABV. Its tasting notes are sherry, a rich, sweet caramel, butterscotch, corn, fruit, almond, and allspice. Maybe some of that spiciness or some of the notes that I was getting was allspice, but I was getting a lot of grassy notes and a lot of vegetal notes. All right, so here's why I was thinking it was a rye. It's a blend of straight bourbon whiskey, light corn whiskey, and straight rye whiskey. Rieger's Kansas City whiskey brings together different whiskeys that were all aged for at least 4 years. Plus a nice little drop of 15-year-old Oloroso Sherry from the Williams & Hubert Bodega in Juarez. So I'm okay that I got some of this rye notes because there really was grassy rye notes in there. It was a sweet nose, which threw me off a little bit. And that could be a little bit of the Oloroso Sherry mixed in there. It could be just the very light corn whiskey. So I am not going to say I was 100% wrong, but I'm certainly not 100% right on this one. But I'd like to hear from you. What do you think of Kansas City whiskey? Have you ever had it? Do you know anything about their whiskeys, especially this blend that is in front of me right now? Let me know in the comments. I always like to hear what you think about that. And until next time, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you. And cheers.